Good afternoon and welcome to T.W White Sons' latest addition to stock. Here we have a 2014 Suzuki Splash SZ2 1 litre manual engine. This vehicle has covered just over 20,000 miles and is a 2-owner vehicle. I'm just going to take you around so you can just see all the details of the vehicle, what great condition it's in. This vehicle will be serviced and MOT'd prior to delivery to its new owner. It's finished in the black metallic paintwork. As I say, I'll show you around. With some minor cosmetic scratches that we do need to attend to. The vehicle will be having a full kind of polish and that side of things around. But just to show you, it's got some nice updated hubcaps. All tyres are all good throughout the vehicle. General condition on the inside of the vehicle is very good, as you can see. Does feature 5 seats total, so two larger outer seats there. I'll show you the boot. This vehicle was taken in part exchange by ourselves. The customer has now just gone into an automatic vehicle. Yeah, take you round to the driver's side. And there you go. As I say, 25,000 miles on the clock. 2-owner vehicle. Will be serviced and MOT prior to delivery. Thanks.